Jack Homestead. We moved our 75 meat birds outside. It's supposed to be very warm today, and they were outgrowing their brooder boxes. So they look like they're enjoying the sun. They've learned to use the water, and they've almost eaten all their food. We are in the process of setting up the electric fence. They will have plenty of room to free range. Mr. Jack is going to set up the electric to it so that they can't go through. And this is one hut that they're going to stay in for now, but as they get bigger, we're going to separate them, and another set will go in here at nighttime, just so that they're not so crowded. Also, the ground predators won't be able to get them, but the air predators will. They follow me.
Hey, good morning guys. Welcome back to the Jack Homestead. I'm Chris. Today we're going to be processing some of our meat birds. Hopefully we're going to get 10 of them done today. I got an appointment this morning, or this afternoon actually. So join us and we'll show you how we process our birds. Okay guys, now I'm going to give you a rundown of our setup here. Okay, here's where the calling cone is. I made out of a 5-gallon pail. The pail there is to catch the blood so it doesn't go all over the ground. And then over here is our processing station, which I have the thing going already. And our temperature is about almost 140. I was told to keep that about 140 to 160. And then our cooler with ice water after we're done processing. So stick around with us as we get started here. Today we're going to be harvesting our meat birds. You like my apparel? Wife likes it. You guys aren't going to want to be here. So anyway, as I was saying, we are preparing to, I wish I had a table here, but I don't, to do our meat birds. Mrs. Jack can explain what's going on if she would. Oh, she can't. This ain't.
2024 meat unsure how we started out with 70, but we lost quite a few from owls, which was my fault. Mr. Jack was away on vacation. But we have 5. Mr. Jack made this contraption to stick 5 of them in to start out with. Excuse our rooster, Romano. We have an audience. They're not going to want to be here. But Mr. Jack's going to get a chicken out. And this is the culling cone. Freaking the rooster out. Temperature?
They say about 140 to 160. The gentleman that does our thing. Dry out, and then you don't want bacteria because the bacteria grows quick. I can't remember the actual doodah.
Doodah?
Yeah, doodah.
You gonna hose them? Was this a rooster?
Yeah.
You're gonna put the fire out. We don't sell these, so you don't get all the hair off. It's fine.
Feathers.
But of course, if you were to sell, you have to make sure.
Make sure you're good and clean.
So for today, they're going in the cooler, but I am going to be piecing some of these birds out, and I'm going to can some of the meat, but they're gonna sit in the cool first. Well, you just cut off what you need to cut off. I saved the feet for the broth that I make. Yeah, you just cut off what you have to, and then while you're pulling, I will finish.
Oh, you want to do the...
No. I meant take the rest of the feathers off.
Okay.
We're no pro at this. This is only the third time we've done this. Slippery. So, just to show you, I use these for the broth, but what I do is, some will say, oh, that's bumblefoot, but it's not. These are like pores from them walking around in their own poop. So I cut this piece, it comes off very easy, and then I cut the nails off, because that's where you could possibly have bacteria. And then I freeze them until I have a good enough amount that I can throw them in a soup pot and broth with. But don't get scared when you see that. It's not infection. This part comes off very easily with scissors, and it looks perfect
Hey guys, welcome back to the Jack Homestead. It's day 2, the day after we processed our meat birds, and right now we're getting ready to bag them up.
Well, we're weighing them first.
And yeah, we're weighing them first, and then we'll bag them up. And we'll check out and see how much our turkey.
Much better.
Yeah, much better. 6.5. Nice.
Much better.
Much better. So we decided to go with these vacuum, well, not vacuum bags. They seal by putting them in bags. Mrs. Jack will put that up here. Take it out. Ooh, I'm ripping the bag.
Inside.
And there we go. There goes the first one in the bag. Try not to drop it in there. And then,
You remember?
yeah, put that in there. Make sure you leave it out about that
Well,
high.
supposed to I thought they said
Oh
in the
yeah,
cavity.
yeah, in the cavity. And then you twist it. You gotta be careful because you twist the straw. Actually, I'm gonna have Mrs. Jack put that on. You twist the straw and it don't do very well. There we go. And then you take this and you dip it in the water. Hold that.
You need your gloves.
And you take it out and put it back up here. And then you pull the straw out and you pull this thing real tight.
And voila.
And I need regular scissors, I think, are in here. If not, they're inside. Sorry.
He's not prepared.
No, not prepared. Totally not prepared. And there's the chicken. All set and ready to go in the freezer.
Ooh, it's a 7.04.
Nice.
Better.
Oh, this is Mrs. Jack's outdoor kitchen. We'll welcome you guys back, by the way, at the Jack Homestead Outdoor Mrs. Jack Kitchen. Now I'm going to dry this one out again. like I said before, anybody can do this if they got the time.
Because we don't really have the equipment, but you make do with whatever you got.
Yeah.
And I ordered these bags from Amazon. These were specifically for chickens. I have larger ones for our turkeys that we're going to be doing.
Put it up there in case it falls. All right.
And they came with the straw and the zip ties.
I mean, you can vacuum seal these if you want, but
yeah,
just a lot of money.
We're not going to be doing this with all of our birds. These are just the whole ones. This is only our second. We did 5 the first time because we had doctor's appointments. We did 5 this time because we had doctor's appointments. It's getting there.
Oop.
You probably just got water in the bag.
No. Okay.
Just do it tight.
Yep. Bada boom, bada bing.
I'm going to be canning some and piecing some out, so they won't all be like this.
Now we had these sitting in ice water all night.
We were actually supposed to do more birds today, but we had nasty storms come through last night, and we had no power.
So we were on generator power.
And the hubby was up all night because the generator kept quitting, and then he realized he needed oil.
Yeah, it's got a safety switch in there.
So we didn't get up till late. 7.28. We keep going a little higher.
Every time. Nice. Nice. Oop, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I can't see.
Ouch! Nope, just kidding, guys.
The last batch, we didn't have any that were 6 pounds. They were all 5 point something.
Yeah.
So we definitely did better with this batch. What is today's date?
12th. Or no, the 11th.
And they were the first ones we did June 27th. And that's when we realized, let's wait a little bit longer. So today is July 11th. And they grew another pound or 2. So.
Which is nice.
Yeah.
So I could have the scissors because I got to clip those
There you go.
things off.
Did you turn this off?
Not yet. Garbage.
Yep.
All right, guys, now we're going to take them over and put them in the freezer. And then we'll be right back. This year we decided to process, butcher our own. Next year, I don't think we'll do so many. A lot of work. A lot of work.
Mr. Jack will have to hose that off the cooler.
Oh, and word to the wise, when you're packing your freezer with your birds, don't pack them tight, because what can happen is it'll be like a lock block, so lock right in and you won't be able to get them out. Yeah, so you got to be conscientious to that. Oh, yeah, that's the way I want it to go. And let them freeze. So, yeah, last night I was out running around trying to get this generator going, and which it started, but like Mrs. Jack said, I had a couple issues with the oil level in it, and I thought I put enough oil in it when I serviced it in the fall last year. So I'll be heading right back over to you guys. So I was just telling them not to pack their turk chickens tight in the freezer. And I told them about the story when you did it the first time, that they all locked together in the bottom of and we couldn't get them pulled out without ripping the bags.
Yeah.
So best thing to do is, if you got room, put them in your freezer, but separate them, and then when they're frozen, you can readjust to make. That's a moth on you, babe.
I felt it.
Yep, he's behind you now.
I emptied that, but it needs to be hosed out because it stinks.
Well, thank you very much. So, guys, that's how we process chickens. If you got any questions or comments or any ideas that we can use for helping us process, be greatly appreciated. And always, we appreciate everybody who's subscribed to us, and those that are just joining us. Welcome. And if you like our content, please subscribe down below. There's a notification bell there that you can click, that when we put up new videos and stuff like that, you can get notified that we have a new video up. So until next time, guys, you guys have a wonderful day. Be kind to one another. We need a lot of that today. And remember, on these hot days, drink plenty of water if you're out working. We'll talk to you later. Bye.